Let's go, baby. Let's go. How we all doing today? It's Friday, baby. It's Friday, November 17th. Welcome to another live stream with your boy, Moo Moo Trades. Welcome in, everybody. Hope everyone's having a great morning. This market is moving. We moving pre-market, and we just took out the overnight lows. Let's see how we react right when market opens in about 1 minute. But usually we do not see this significant type of movement right before market opens, so could be in for a nice voluminous day with a lot of volume, a lot of volatility. We'll wait and see. We'll play it whatever the price action tells us. But we're basically making new highs, new lows compared to what we've been having several days in a row. We've been in a massive uptrend. Any day now could be time to potentially take out some of the uptrend that we've been on. So we'll see. We shall see, man. We shall see what we're gonna do. Debating taking a short setup here. I'm in the short. Basically what I'm seeing here is a lower high after a second entry short. So we got to come down to 2150, and we'll get actually 2.25 points out of this if we can make the scalp, because we got in with a limit order a few ticks back. So let's see if we can make this scalp. We need a few more ticks to go. I'm also expecting us to come back and test this low that we just made a couple minutes ago. We need one more tick. There we go. All right, nice in and out. How's it going, Kevin Alexander? Welcome back, my man. So essentially what I saw here, we had this short-term leg up, had a slight break, attempt at a new high, pushed lower again, nice bearish signal bar, lower high, confirming a second entry short, and it was the first break of this overall downtrend. So I was expecting us to take out 45.19.5. So we still got one more tick or so to get there. And it was nice because we got in with a limit order. So we were able to get more than 1 point, which is very, very nice. Took that same trade, Indo Trader. There we go. Thinking on your feet. So that's the thing. Trading right at market open can be tricky, can be a little risky, but you got to just be quick. If you're a scalper, you got to be thinking on a dime. You got to be able to go in and out. Take those trades that you know should work out. Might give you a little bit of nervousness, but I mean, it followed my rules. We're in a clear downtrend. It's looked like a slight overshoot, and that makes sense why we had a break on the other side. But then when we had a lower high, I was confident that we were going to continue working lower, and that's exactly what we're doing now. But we essentially almost got to the low we were expecting. We're one tick away. So we'll see. We might bounce here. We might keep going lower. we'll have to just wait and see. We shall wait and see. Okay, and here's another lower high. Trying to take out these lows, trying to take out some more stops. I'm not betting that the market is going to go that much lower, at least right now. I mean, it's possible we might come down all the way to, let's call it 4,500. 4,500, the low of yesterday. It looks like, I mean, who knows? This downtrend might even be something along the lines of that, because we're still pushing lower. It looks like we're nicely bouncing off this top side of the trend channel, and you know what? I'm gonna keep it like this for now. I'm gonna keep it like this. We might get another lower high here. So we took a trade away from the EMA yesterday, similar to this, except it was a long setup. So it always adds a little bit more risk. But another potential short setup here, if we start reversing and end up closing bearish. Doesn't look like it's gonna happen right now though. But might happen here. Might happen right here. But at the moment, it's tough to tell if this is the correct downtrend, where we had a slight break, new low, or if the correct downtrend is really just something like this, because we are still making lower lows, we're still making lower highs, and I mean, we're going down with some momentum as well. So usually if the downtrend is over, you would see some hesitation. You'd see at least a pullback to the EMA. We're still not even doing that though. But nice to start the day 1-0. And really, it's technically, because we only trade for 1 point scalps, technically we really got 2 trades in one, because we went for over 2 points. But here we are, yeah, still making those lower lows, still pushing lower. My overall target is 4,500. Whether we get there remains to be seen, but long-term target. But I'm gonna keep the downtrend like this, simply because if I have it like this, you can see that the midline is being played. Like we had one bounce here, we had another bounce down here. So to me, this looks like the most valid downtrend. We might be getting another trap here. We might be getting another trap. Lower high. Let's see if we keep making lower lows. Yeah, so another bearish looking bar. Potential short setup. I'm not going to take it because it's a little far away from the EMA. But nice potential trade right here. Low risk. And if you did take that lower high, you would have got stopped out. So that's why sometimes, even in a downtrend that looks to be valid, you get in a nice lower high. You do get trapped sometimes simply because it's not a significant enough pullback where enough people are, or enough orders are there to really make another push down. But here we go. Here we go. Still going down. Still going down. How are y'all doing in the chat? Let me know, people. Who else is in here? Who else is in here? We got 3 likes. We gotta bump up the likes. If you guys enjoy me putting my life on the line every day, leave me a little like or comment. Let me know who's out there. Who's out there watching? Anyone? Any new viewers? Let me know. I want to get to know every single person in this chat, baby. Am I a full-time trader? Not yet. Not yet. That's my goal, but no, not a full-time trader yet. But we're on this journey together, so if I do become a full-time trader, you guys will all witness it live. Amigo, ¿cómo estás? Gonzalo. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Man, maybe we could have kept a runner in. Look at this market. Look at it going. But I mean, that's what happens sometimes. Sometimes you just got to take a trade based on what you're seeing, but also based on a little bit of intuition. Like I said right when the stream started, we don't usually see such strong movement right before market open. Obviously, right when the market opens, that's when we usually see some volatility. But normally, 2-3 minutes before market open, it's a little sideways, a little choppy. This time, it was moving, and we were moving down. So I was thinking, okay, you know what? We might be in for a nice downtrend. Let's see if there's a potential short. Had a nice lower high. After a second entry short, we had a leg up. We had the break of it. Attempt to go higher. Getting another potential lower high here. But yeah, we're taking out some lows. Might come down, take out 4,500. We'll see. But at the daily chart, I mean, look at this. We're still. Jeez, we basically made a 400-point move in an instant. It felt like so 41.21 all the way up to 45.33. Over a 400-point move in 2 weeks is insane. So whenever you see a move like that, a pullback is bound to happen at some point. So let's see if we can get a nice pullback to the EMA. Hopefully we can get a nice second entry short, 2-legged pullback, and we can get another short entry. But from the highs of the overnight, 45.39 to the lows, it's about a 35-point move. So nothing crazy. Oh, actually, 25-point move. 25-point move. So yeah, nothing too crazy. So here, we're testing that EMA, getting a nice bearish candle, rejection bar, but we want to wait for the high probability setup, the extra high probability setup, which is a second entry, second pullback to the EMA. Then we can take a short. What about you, Indo trader? You a full-time trader, Indo? Okay, so we're getting that second push up to that EMA. I'm gonna get a little sell order prepared. But looks like we're trying to push above that EMA, and I'm gonna respect this little move up. I'm gonna respect it. So even in a downtrend, you gotta respect these moves. We're having a bit of an overshoot. So another thing to keep in mind, this move up does not look sustainable anymore because we had that huge bullish candle. Trying to be one Indo trader. All right. I guess we're all trying to be, we're all trying to make it big. That's the name of the game. That's the name of the game. But we got to just stick with it. How long have you been trading for? All right. So what I ideally want to see here after this push up is exactly what we're seeing now. Push back below the EMA significantly, and then a lower high setup. So here we're having a higher low. A lot of traders are going to see this as a potential long setup. Then I want to see us reject that bar and go back lower. Oh man, 10 years on and off. Okay. You've been in it for a long time. I'm on about 3.5 years at this point. 3.5. So it's also possible that this move up is a little valid, but we'll see. We'll see how we react right here. If we break above this bar, a lot of people are going to go long. A lot of traders are going to see it as an opportunity to start reversing the market. So let's see. The original downtrend we got drawn doesn't look. It looks a little valid, where we had to break a couple legs down and then we're starting to reverse, but I'm still saying we're going lower. I'm saying we're going lower, man. So yeah, here's that rejection bar we were looking for, but it's technically not a lower high because we didn't break above the bullish bar previous to it. Other than that, it's a setup that I was looking for. Exactly what I was looking for. So I would take this short if we had broken above that bullish candle at the EMA. So let's see if we break lower. Looking for trap. Yeah, I mean, this is exactly the setup I wanted to see. We just didn't really form that trap because we didn't trigger a long setup. But yeah, we're just going a little sideways right now. Okay. And here we did technically trigger above the bar right before. So let's see how this bar prints right here. Let's see if this is the trap. Doesn't look like we got any news that's too significant today. Okay, and here's a potential lower high. Let's see how this bar closes up. We might just be a little too sideways though. The EMA is looking pretty flat. But let's see what we got. Yeah, so we got a lower high. Let's see if we trigger. See if we break below this area, take out some stops. Doesn't look like we're gonna do it just yet. Another sideways bar, man. How many bars in a row? Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars stacked. I'm not too interested in that, but we're getting another push up. So let's see who wins out right here. But even when we see just a couple bars stacked, all right, here we go. There's another lower high. This might be the trade we're looking for. So if we break below, I'm gonna go short. But man, oh man, yeah, we are looking pretty sideways. I might have to just abandon that idea. So, yeah, it is trap land. It's trap land right now. Let's draw our little mini range. Let's see which side we break out of. Ideally, what I'd want to see now is a break out the top side and then a rejection. So failed breakout of the top, giving us an opportunity to take a short. But right now, way too sideways. EMA is perfectly flat. I'm not too interested in what we're having right now. That's what we're all hoping. That's what we're all hoping. Let's get it. Let's get it right now. Let's take out 45.20.5. Then we might continue working lower. So here's a little failed breakout potentially. And yeah, here we go. There we go. So one more tick, we'll take out some stops at the top. Then it might be time to start working lower. Or not. So yeah, here's that push up. Let's see how we react here. Interesting spot. That is big. That is big. That's what she said, isn't it? Okay, and here's that failed breakout. So I'm not going to take it because it's an inside bar. It's a little risky, but a potential failed breakout, short setup right here. And then we might start working below that EMA again. Yeah, so let's see. Let's see how we react if we come below that EMA. I'm still thinking short. I'm still leaning towards us making new lows. Who knows? It might be possible that we even have a downtrend, something like this. That looks all right to me. Because this midline, once again, that's the main thing giving me reasoning why this might be valid. So honestly, let's have this for now. It looks like a pretty strong trend to me. Yeah, so this looks pretty valid. If we get a lower high below that EMA, nice little short setup, that's what I want to see. but no real reason to think to go long right now. I mean, it looks like one leg up, hesitation, two legs up, and if we get a lower high, all the people who are thinking the market's going higher in the reversal, they're gonna get trapped, and they're also gonna have to flip their thinking and start selling as well. So it might be that momentum to get back to the lows. Yeah, so here's that push, testing that EMA. Ideally, we'd have one more leg up and a lower high to give us a nice setup, but who knows? We might not even get a setup here. We might rock it down. Hopefully we do. Hopefully we get a nice little lower high. Let's see it. I don't know. It looks like we might just come out and take these lows. Okay, but here's that potential lower high forming. Let's see. So what I want to see here is a nice bullish candle that we have a potential to trap some longs with. We break above that and then work lower, trapping all those longs, baby. But like I said, we might not even get a setup. We might just work down. But hopefully we do. Hopefully we do. But definitely targeting 45.14. 45.14 is my target. And we might just be on the way right now. At any moment, we might just make a push down. Quick push down is what I'm thinking. All right, but we're getting some hesitation. This is what I like to see. I like to see this. Add some confusion. Let's break above. Let's break above a bar. Yeah, my code is 90% off. I mean, if you use it, it'll be 90% off. I guess in the description it's not. On the top of the screen I updated it though. But yeah, 90% off sale right now. So if you've been waiting to get some accounts, now's your time. Now's your time. I just updated the description. Okay, so here's that push up. Let's see how we react right here. Let's work lower, baby. And let's see if this downtrend we got is valid at all. Let's see if this is a third touch. I'm gonna get my order prepared. You just use my code? Thank you. Thank you, my man. I appreciate that. What's up, Jason? How you doing, bro? So ideally, I'd want to see this come below the EMA. But that is what we wanted to see. It just didn't quite close below the EMA. Not gonna abandon the thinking that we're going short just yet. We might just be having another push up, another little fake out. But we'll see. I mean, we're going a little sideways now. Man, you pretty tired? That's what I hate doing is trading after not a great night's sleep. That's never a good feeling, because Honestly, I had that yesterday. Yesterday I woke up, wasn't feeling great. I had really bad food poisoning a few days ago, and I'm still recovered. Like, I don't know why, but it was awful. So yesterday I was still feeling super super weak and just like not right. Um, so yeah, when I came to the trading desk, I was just not feeling good. But today I'm feeling a lot better. Yeah, I'm fresh, baby. I'm fresh. I'm ready to go. I mean, it's also possible we got this uptrend working up. I'm not too convinced in it though. I'm saying this downtrend will take precedence. And here's that move down. Here's that move down. Let's see if we can get a lower high. I take Pepto? Yeah. Yeah, I did take some Pepto for sure. I took a lot of Pepto. Yeah, I was super dehydrated. I mean, the really, really bad feeling was like just a couple days, like diarrhea, vomiting, just like one day, and then the next day, like had to take it easy, but still been like lingering, just fatigue. Um, my plans for the weekend, my one of my buddies is actually flying in today. We're gonna go. I mean, I'm not a big rave guy, but he is. He's a DJ, so he's taking me to this rave. Um, so it's gonna be a long night tonight. Long night tonight for sure. What did I eat? I think what the issue was that I ate some food that was left out overnight. I believe that's what the issue was. Okay, so we got a second entry long here. Oh, Jason is a big rave person? I don't even know. I don't know what it's called, to be honest with you. But it's in San Francisco. So yeah, it's possible that this uptrend is just in place right now. So counting from this high, we went down once, two legs. Nice potential long if you took that. Would have been in and out for a scalp. Oh, you're in you're in SF. Um, Bill Graham. I don't know. I have to text him. I have to text him. I have to find. I'll text him right now. I don't know if he's awake. It's supposed to be. I know it's supposed to be in some cave. That's what I know. It's supposed to be in some cave. You know about that? You know about that, Jason? All right, so we're getting a higher low here. I might have to switch my thinking. It looks like we're just making higher lows. This EMA is holding. So if we trigger above this higher low right here, we might get a nice long setup. So we triggered. Can we get a scalp out of this? I mean, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches on the bottom side of this trend channel we got. We're consistently moving up. We're consistently holding at this EMA. Can we get a scalp? Can we get a scalp? Can we make another higher low right here? Can we make another higher low? I mean, it is going a little sideways, but I can't just ignore this uptrend. So we're working slowly. I think if we take out these highs right here, 21.75 will be good. We need a few more ticks to do so. Hopefully we don't get trapped. All right, we're one tick away from our stop loss being hit. Can we hold? Can we get saved? Unfortunately not. Unfortunately not. I'm sounding like a true rave veteran. Nah, I'm not a rave veteran at all. Not one bit. Okay, we got stopped out by one tick. I mean, we might just be moving up now. Who knows? This might be the right higher low that we've been looking for. Let's see. All right, we're in another trade. Let's see if this one works out. We got to take out these highs. But it's another higher low. It's really first, second entry short, failure. Can we get a scalp out of this one? So unfortunately, we got literally taken out by one tick. And then it looks like prices are going to where we thought they would go. But we'll see. It does look a little congested. I will say that. But I can't ignore this uptrend. I mean, we're consistently validating that trend. So here we just gotta have one push up. I think once we do take out 41.21.75, if we do, we might be in for a nice move up. So we'll see. We'll see if we do that. So we barely ticked off where our sell limit order is. We need one more tick. Couldn't get filled. Man, You never want to see that. Ticked exactly off where we should have been filled, and we got stopped out. Looks like the PA count of high is real. I don't know. I don't know what's happening, man. I mean, these have... It happens. It happens. We got ticked out. Or we got stopped out by one tick, and then our limit order didn't get filled by another one tick. But yeah, should have been eyeing this as a range. So it happens. It happens. It happens. But yeah, this is a triple test right here. Bearish looking bar. So a lot of traders got trapped right where I got trapped as well. When I put my order up to get filled, I'm hitting escape and then putting it back at the end of the queue. I don't know. Why do you say that? Oh, I guess. Well, it's because I don't know where I'm supposed to get filled until that bar closes. Until that bar closes, I don't know where I'm gonna enter. So that's why I have to wait till the last second. But yeah, looking back, very, very congested. Unfortunately. Oh, I moved my profit target. No, I didn't end up moving it. I mean, I just clicked it. But I didn't actually move it. But maybe it had an effect. I don't know. Maybe it did. But yeah, no, I see what you're saying. Yeah, maybe I clicked, but usually, like, even if you click it and then prices reach that, so like 41.21.75, even if I just selected that limit order and prices ticked through that, I would have been filled because I didn't technically move it. Yeah, Gadrev. Nah, you're right, man. Yeah, these two trades, I mean, I was very confident that we were going to work down, that we were in this downtrend until I saw what could have been a potential wider term uptrend like this. I mean, we were consistently making new highs, but I did ignore the fact that the bars were very, very sideways. So we were really just in a range, and I was just trading in the middle of the range when really the uptrend wasn't too valid. But yeah, should have stuck with my initial thinking that this downtrend is valid. We had a break, and we should be expecting to take out the low of the day. Johnny, you got to keep me accountable, man. I said 2 losses and I'm done for the day and any day. Didn't I? I did say that, right? But now I got to make that money back all today. No, I'm playing. I just want to see. I want to see what's going to happen. I'm not going to take another trade though. It is easy to get carried away. I know. I've been there. But yeah, so just saw the market wrong. saw the market wrong, was a little eager to take some trades here when I shouldn't have abandoned my thinking that we were definitely gonna make a new low for the day. No, I'm not taking another trade. I have my rule set. I'm not gonna take another trade. But I just want to see if we're gonna take out these lows. But yeah, it happens. It happens. And that's why usually I don't even pay attention to these uptrends when it looks so sideways like this. I should have known, like, it's too congested, but you can't win every trade. Yeah, done for the day. 2 losses, I'm done. That's enough for me. So yeah, exactly what we thought would initially happen did end up happening. Just abandoned that thinking a little too quickly. But we'll stay on the live stream a little bit longer. Then it's time to go work out. Why not trading all day? Because that's not my style. Gotta think long term. It's not about winning or losing everything all in one day. It's about the long term. How you doing, Rev? How you doing, man? Why would I think that big downtrend is right? I mean, because we were moving so significantly in even if we got rid of that significant downtrend, it looks like we had a significant move down and then just went into this little channel. So even if I got rid of that wider channel, which, yeah, that wider channel might not be valid, but I'm just saying the overall thinking should have been that we were still going to test this low, even if we're just looking at this concise little channel here. Because the market wasn't ripe for a reversal just yet. There wasn't a significant break of the structure. Like, this was that first break of structure. We didn't quite have a retest of the low. But yeah, Indo Trader, I agree. This second entry long right here. Yeah, nice setup right there. But we still didn't take out this low, so just a little bit risky, but yeah, failed breakout of this range we got. Man, looking back, how did I even have a freaking uptrend drawn? That's that bias. When you're trading. It happens. It is what it is. We'll be back Monday. 90% off sale. If you guys want to cash in, use my code. I'm going to end the stream right there. No more trading for me. 2 losses. I'm sticking to it. And we're going to call it a day. We'll see you all on Monday. Shouldn't have switched my thinking like that, but it happened. No, I'm not taking any more trade, my man. I'm not taking any more trade. You'll find me? All right. Find me then. All right. Have a good one, Bill. Jason, I'll let you know, man. All right. Buen fin de semana.